Okay, so we have the pups out. These are the ones that are spoken for. So I'm going to do a video for these parents, and then we'll get the other 5 that aren't spoken for.
Atlas, what are you doing, buddy, huh?
Okay, so we have this boy. His name is Atlas. He has found a home. Then we have
This is
Josie and Jade. And they both have a home.
And then Doc.
Doc, his home is here. We're keeping him.
And then her.
And then her, she has a home. Her owner doesn't know what her name is yet, but I'm sure it'll be a great name.
Oh, Josie, what are you doing, sweetie? Huh? What are you doing, Josie? Yes. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you, Josie? Yes, you are. And hey, little Miss No Name. What are you doing, little Miss No Name?
April's going to be like, shut up. But aren't they adorable? Hi, Atlas.
Come here, Josie. What are you doing, baby? It's okay.
They've never been in this room before. We have them in the kitchen.
Doc, he loves to play.
Turn Josie around.
What are you doing, Josie?
Josie! Aw.
Oh, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Oh, Jade.
We should have brought their toys in here.
You.
What?
I said Jade, Josie, and you.
She's gonna kill you.
What are you doing, Alice?
Well, it's important to pick the right name.
I know, but I like to have a name that I can call them while they're here before they go. What are you doing, Atlas, huh?
Doc. Isn't he adorable? Oh, and I think he has, let's see. I think he has one blue eye, like his mama.
You guys. What are you
Is she
doing,
peeing?
Who?
The one that don't have a name.
No, she just said.
Oh.
What are you doing, Atlas?
Oh, he went and got some toys. Them are Bernie's toys, but it's all right.
Look, toys. Oh, hello, you.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl.
You, sweetie.
Hi, baby. They're kind of dirty. They got
Oh, come here, Josie. She's.
food on their faces.
Come here, Josie. Come here. Oh, what are you doing, Josie? Huh? What are you doing, baby? Oh, you.
Get Atlas over here. There's
Come here,
Jade. Aw, so
Atlas.
cute.
Come here, Atlas.
Come here, baby. Oh, he's on my lap.
It's okay, Josie.
Hey,
It's okay,
here,
baby.
take him over there.
It's okay.
Take,
It's all right.
go over there with
It's all right.
him so
Josie.
you can be on the video. Oh, he
Not
likes
good.
me.
It's not good in shorts.
Really not, especially
Here,
this one.
here, look. Ah, cute little face. He keeps trying to get to me.
Come here, Atlas. Atlas. Atlas.
And so does Miss Jade. Go over there.
Just because you're sitting down now, when you're standing up, they wasn't bothering.
Jade's got something on
What are
her
you doing, Josie?
side.
What are you doing? Come here.
Got food on you. Yeah, I got it off.
Come here, Josie. She wants to be on me. What are you doing, Josie? Huh?
Hey, get these off me.
Come here,
and
Atlas.
take them over
Come
there
here,
and
Atlas.
let them be on you.
Come here, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh?
Duck.
What are you doing, Josie? Atlas, you little turd. Come here.
Duck. Duck. My duck. My duck. Duck. Come here.
Come here, duck.
I was like, that ain't dog. But he was talking to
What are you
him.
doing, Atlas, huh? What are you doing, Atlas, huh? Josie, wants to be on me. What are you doing, Atlas, huh?
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. Aw. Here, hold her.
Come here, Jade. Come here, baby. Come here. Come. I can't reach her and get a hold of her. Come here.
Go over there.
Come here, Jade. Look.
Oh, he's got that toy. Or he did.
Look. There you go, girl. Oh,
Atlas! Go over there and play. Go over there and play.
you guys look just alike.
They keep wanting to get in my lap. Aw, look. How cute.
What you guys doing, huh? You giving kisses?
Come here, Atlas.
That's a little chewy boy.
All right, you want to get down and play with the toys?
Doc, come here.
Come here, Atlas. Come here, Doc.
That's the chewy boy.
Come on, Atlas.
I love how they walk and their butt just wags.
They just want to run all over. Just
You
climb
keep
on
wanting, you like me, don't ya?
What are you doing, huh?
You like me.
Like that. It's like the little kid that comes to the dinner and you don't know. Hey, you. Oh, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing?
All right, this ain't working when they're all over here on my lap.
This works. You took a long enough video for everybody to see.